Hey guys, finally Apple releases their 24-inch iMac in the April event. This is the product that I was waiting for a long time, which is now finally here. I have some pretty cool thoughts on the product which I am gonna share in this video. And also a lot of people are getting confused that since M1 chip also comes in Mac Mini, so should they buy the Mac Mini or wait for iMac to go on sale? Well, I will answer it at the end of the video, but first of all, let's talk about the specs of the newly released of 24-inch iMac. It has a 8-core CPU and a 8-core GPU. Storage support is available up to 2TB of SSD. It comes with up to 16GB of RAM. It has a 16-core neural engine. The display size is 24-inch. It is a Retina display with the resolution of 4.5K. It also comes with P3 white color gamut and True Tone. The brightness of the display is 500 nits. The display has 4 USB 4 port and 2 Thunderbolt port. Wi-Fi 6 is built in the monitor. It also comes with Bluetooth 5.0. There is a new technology coming in the keyboard that is called the Wireless Touch ID, through which you can make secure enclave payment very easily. There is a 1080p FaceTime camera built in the monitor. Not only that, but also the M1 processor actually reduces the noise and increases the white color balance during video calls. You can also add an external display up to 6K 60Hz with the iMac. There are 6 speaker system in the iMac, which will give you the best quality audio in any iMac. And they also mention it in their event that it is the best mic that they have put in any iMac in their entire history. There is also the Dolby Atmos support in the iMac. Apple is also claiming the mic that they have built in the 24-inch iMac is actually studio quality 3-array mic, which actually can take the audio of 360 degree from the studio. There is also a 3.5mm headphone jack built in the monitor. The 24-inch iMac is available in 7 colors. They are blue, green, pink, silver, yellow, orange and purple, and everyone has white bezel in them. The weight of 24-inch iMac is 4.48 kg, or in pounds it is 9.88 pounds. The height of the iMac is 18.1 inches. In centimeter it is 54.7 centimeter. The depth of the iMac is 5.8 inch and in centimeter it is 14.7 centimeter. In the entire event I was very happy by seeing the new color, new design, shape and all of that of the new 24-inch iMac, because majority of the feature that is been released by Apple in the 24-inch iMac is not available in the base variant. Let me explain first. As you can see in this pie chart that the base variant price is $1299, which is kinda nice because the price is okay with MacBook Pro, but it has no Ethernet port, no Touch ID, it has 7-core GPU and only 4 colors. How sad is that? And you also need to keep in mind that it only has 2 Thunderbolt ports. In the mid-tier price you can see that the price is $1499 and you get 2 Thunderbolt port and 2 USB 4 port. You get the Ethernet port, you also get Touch ID in the keyboard, you get 8-core GPU and it comes with all the 7 colors. In the $1699 variant you get all the feature you get in the mid variant, which is $1499, and you also get 512GB of SSD storage. You have seen the specs, you have seen the price. Now I will tell you my verdict that which one you should buy. My opinion will be you should definitely go with the mid-tier one because the base variant doesn't have all of the feature which is very useful when you are using an iMac. One of the major reasons that you should not get the base variant is the port selection. There is only 2 Thunderbolt port, which will create a scarcity when you are using an iMac. There is no Ethernet port on the power adapter. That is not the problem because there is Wi-Fi 6 built in the iMac. That modem is actually as fast as the Ethernet connection, so you don't need to feel hesitant that okay, there is no Ethernet port, so how I gonna get high speed internet. That's not the problem because the Wi-Fi 6 has the exact same speed as an Ethernet cable. There is no wireless Touch ID, which is a major concern because when you are making payments you have to type password every time. If there is Touch ID then it can be done with just a simple click. Also it is the downgraded version of the M1 processor which has the 7-core GPU instead of other one which has 8-core GPU. And also because there is only 4 color available for the base variant of iMac, so if your favorite color is not on the base variant color then you have to choose the upper variant. So my verdict would be, if you are wanted to get any kind of overall package for the iMac, then I will definitely suggest you to go with the 1499 variant instead of going with the base model, which have many sufficient problem in terms of features and everything. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, smash the like button, comment down below that on what topic I should make video on next. I'll see you guys soon with that video next week. Until then, peace out and stay safe.